extreme organs of animals that are almost unbelievable. When it comes to the most essential organs to keep an animal alive, you will be amazed by the size and complex structures from the largest known creature to the smallest one in the world. Let us dive straight into the video and talk about the extreme human organs like the ear, stomach, heart, and eye of different species. Number 1. Heart. When it comes to the biggest mammal, blue whale, they have the biggest heart from any other living being. The heart of a 78 feet long whale weighs about 440 pounds. Blue whale's heart pumps about 58 gallons of blood with each heartbeat. It is almost the size of a 5-foot tall human being. Now, let us talk about the largest mammal on land, the African elephant. Elephants have a heart that beats very slowly, but each beat is prolonged and very powerful. The African elephant has a heart that is almost half the percentage of the body weight. It weighs about 46 pounds. Now, coming to the smallest mammal in the world, estrus. Estrus has the smallest and fastest beating heart. It beats about 1500 times in a minute. As for humans, our heart weighs about 10 ounces and pumps 2000 gallons of blood every day. It beats about 1000 times a day and more than 36 million times a year. In comparison to humans, dogs have the most amazing heart to body mass ratio. They have about 0.8% of the entire body mass as their heart, while cats have about 0.35% of their body mass as their heart. Now, let us talk about the most unique hearts of animals. Giraffe has its left side of the heart thicker than the right one. The structure is needed as it has to supply the blood with powerful pumps to the long necks. The right side only moves blood to the lower side of the body, whereas the left side has to pump over 6 feet up to height to their heads. Moving on to the shocking facts. Octopus has 3 hearts, and the smallest heart belongs to a tiny firefly. Firefly has a microscopic heart. It is just a narrow tube running across the back of its body. Number 2. Eyes. The largest eye of an animal known to us is of a colossal squid. They are roughly about 11 inches in diameter. They live in deep parts of the ocean, and their eyes play an essential role for them in survival in such depths. The ostrich has the biggest eye among the birds. It is about 2 inches in diameter, or the size of a billiard ball. If you compare a human's eye, it would be a size of a grape. Moving on to the weirdest eye, an animal called gecko lacks eyelids, and their eyes are 350 times more sensitive to sunlight. They use their tongue to clean their eyes. There is a squid who has different eye on each side. The right one is normal sized and is located inside the head. It is usually blue in color, but the right one is of yellow and green color, and it is a tube which bulges out from its head. This structure is required as they need a large eye to spot the sunlight in such depths, and a small one to spot prey like bioluminescent bacteria and bacteria cells to eat. Number 3. Tongue and the stomach. Again, starting from the blue whale, which has the longest tongue that weighs about 3 tons, to help tear the hard flesh of large prey, and to support digestion for such an enormous body, they have 3 separate chambers. Yes, you heard correctly. They have 3 chambers in their stomach, which contains more than a ton of food. A blue whale can eat about 2 tons of food a day and kills about 40 million shrimps like creature per day. Moving to chameleon. Their tongue is almost 1.5 times the length of their body. It acts as a tube lipid nectar and is about 3 inches long. The animal with the longest neck, giraffe, does not disappoint us with a 1.5 feet long tongue. Their tongue has thick layers to protect them from tree thorns. On to the weirdest tongue facts of animals. Bats have an enormous tongue that they keep inside their rib cage. You can have your name in the Guinness World Record with the length of your tongue. Yes, that is true. A human holds the record for the world's longest tongue. It measures about 4 inches from the tip to the middle of the closed lip. The land mammal with maximum appetite is, yes, you guessed it correct, African elephant. The fully grown male elephant needs to eat at least 0.1% of the body weight, that is, over 130 pounds. What if I told you many animals have no stomach whatsoever? Nature really wows us, right? Platypus lost his stomach during evolution, and it would be highly unlikely for the species to grow one now. The same goes for many fishes from the carp family who do not have stomach to store food. Number 4. Ears. The largest of all ears belong to a mammal that can grow up to 6 feet across and 5 feet sidewise. It belongs to the African elephant again. Their ears are floppy appendages filled with numerous blood vessels. These large ears help them in releasing heat while living in such heated environment. Asian elephants live in shaded rainforests, so small ears about 3 pounds work for them. The basset hound has quite a large ear with relation to its body. Even poachers have to drag their ears along the ground while moving. Even polar bears have very tiny ears surprisingly in comparison to their body. It is covered with fur. This helps them to prevent heat loss in such cold conditions. Moles also give quite a competition for small ears. They have indistinguishable and securely hidden ears. Although research show that many mammals while evolution have started to develop ears which were missing in their species previously. Number 5. The brain. The sperm whale holds the record for being a mammal with the biggest brain, but in comparison to its structure, it is only 0.02% of its whole body mass. It weighs about 18 pounds. In land, the record for the largest brain is held by elephants, which weigh about 12 pounds. The brain to body mass ratio is just 0.01%. Their brain is also structured in a very unusual location. It is at the back of their heads. An average human brain takes about 2.1% of the whole body weight, and it weighs about 3 pounds. Dolphin's brain is almost the same size as of a human being. They have highly developed brain parts which is responsible for thinking and understanding. They are the most commonly used mammals in water show. There have been various videos of them being friendly and helping humans in extreme situations. There was a viral video where we could see a dolphin bringing back a phone that someone dropped from the boat. This shows their level to grasp things and being all comfortable around other species. When the weight of the brain is compared to the body mass, the spider's brain covers 80% of their weight. Their brain extends to its legs. The smallest brain is of a marine ragworm. It is the size of a width of a human hair. The most bizarre brain is of a squid. Squids have a donut-shaped brain structure. They have a tube running in between which carries food from the mouth to their whole body. For more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel Eye-Opening Facts to never miss an update, and comment down below for any video suggestions for our next mind-blowing video. Signing off.